like this one healthy and accessible to all, Salt Lake City launched a pilot project to test organic turf management. The $5,000 donation from Stonyfield Organic is allowing us to extend this organic project to 2 fields right here at the Regional Athletic Complex.
Yeah, so our concern with pesticides is more broad than just what is on our food in the grocery store, but we worry about it from an environmental standpoint in our playgrounds and our parks and where there's high development and we're trying to abate pests as we do this development. We worry about it being carried in the air, dust, we worry about the soil and just tactile contamination.
By saying we don't need to use that stuff on our fields, Salt Lake City is taking its place among leadership cities around the country, some of whom have proven that you not only have no recourse to using these chemicals, but actually can save money as well.
What we can learn from the pilot here will have a large impact on how professional fields around the world can switch to organic methods.